Welcome to Solve It with Speedtech, where we share common knowledge on how to solve IT and media-related problems. Do you experience slagging on your computer system? Is your computer speed very slow and is affecting the performance? Instead of formatting the system of opting to buy another computer, there are a few steps you can take to boost the speed of the computer and increase its performance. Few of the steps you can take were captured in my previous video titled Boost Your PC or Laptop Speed and Increase Performance. Click on the link in the video description to watch the previous video. In this video, I am going to show you another easy and simple method to increase and boot your computer speed and also increase its performance. Press Windows + R on your computer keyboard. On the Run dialog box that will appear, type the following text, sysdm.cpl. Click OK or press Enter on the keyboard. On the System Property dialog box that will appear, click on the Advanced tab and click Settings under Performance section. On the Performance Options dialog box, click Adjust for best performance. Click Apply and click OK. Click OK. Instead of your computer to be slagging or very slow, the speed and performance will increase. This is one of the many ways to boot the computer speed and increase its performance. I believe you will find this video helpful. Do it yourself and let me see your experience in the comment section. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share. Please do subscribe if you are yet to do so. See you in my next video and thank you for watching.